This tutorial will walk you through the process of using the SDG RP 5217 plugin to quickly and accurately file your RP 5217 form. To reach the plugin, first open ImageMate Online. IMO can be accessed through our website, sdgnys.com, under the Our Products section. You can also find it on your municipality's website under the Real Property Department. When you click on IMO, a dialog box will pop up. Select your county, town, or city. If the page you are looking for is locked, you can contact the municipality directly for a user account, but most sites can be publicly accessed. Next, use the search fields to find your property. This should bring you to your property's details page. You will launch the RP 5217 plugin from here. On the left side of your screen, you will see an option to download the RP 5217 form and the editor. Click to download the RP 5217 editor. Once the download is finished, open the file. If a dialog box pops up, click on More Info, then click Run Anyway. The application will begin installing. When the install is complete, the dialog box will disappear. You will only need to download the editor once. Once the editor is on your device, you won't ever need to download it again, and you will automatically be notified of any updates. If anything goes wrong at this stage, make sure your web browser is up to date. The plugin works best with Google Chrome and Microsoft Edge browsers. Now that the editor is installed, you're ready to download the form. Click the button to download RP 5217 form. When you click the file, it will open up the form in another window. You will see that many fields on the form are pre-populated with information from IMO. Most of the property details, like property location and size, will be auto-populated. You can fill in buyer details and sale information. When filling out dollar amounts, like sale price, you will need to round to the nearest whole number. The state form does not accept cents. In section 15, select one or more conditions that apply to your sale. As you input information on the form, you'll notice the barcode updating in real time. The barcode is SaleScan compatible, so county clerks can easily scan the form instead of inputting the info manually. Continue to fill out all the required fields on the form. If you get stuck or aren't sure how to fill out a particular field, click the Help tab on the form. From here, you can access the New York State instructions for filling out the form, which goes over all the information required on the document. With the Open File tab, you can open any previously saved files. The Save button will automatically save the file locally to your device. You can see the file name and pathway at the top of the page. Save As lets you choose where to save and what to name the file. Once you have the required fields filled out, you are ready to print the final document. When you click Print, you will be reminded to use legal-sized 8.5 by 14-inch paper. Through the print option, you can print a physical copy of the form or save it as a PDF. And that's it! Your RP 5217 form will be complete. If you have a software-related problem with the app, go to the Help tab and click this button. You'll be brought to an email page. Be as specific as you can and include the app version number. Someone will reach out to you shortly and help with any issue you may have. We appreciate any feedback or suggestions. You can also click the SDG button on the form to reach the SDG website where you can find additional contact info. Feel free to contact us with any issues or feedback.